Alright, part 2. Alright, once you go ahead and remove the top half section, before you pull any of this out this way, you're gonna go straight down into the back. There's going to be a bracket with two 12mm. One is a nut, the other is a bolt that you're gonna need to remove in order to get access to move this away. When you're done with that, you're gonna remove the intake. Pull off the side. There's going to be a couple of wires, little hose. You pull that off to the side, and then this, go ahead and pull it up out of the way. There's your starter. Your starter is going to be held in by a 18mm bolt right there, and a 14mm bolt right there, along with a 12mm battery cable nut that goes here. This sensor right here, which you have to take off, and then the knock sensor cable over here, and remove it from the knock sensor so that you could get the wiring out of the way, so that you'll be able to remove the starter and replace it. Don't forget, if you replace the starter, you will need to replace this gasket. If you take the battery post off, make sure that you have a radio key. Otherwise, you will not be able to use your radio. Alright, let's finish up this job. Alright, so once you get the 17mm bolt on the bottom out, the 14mm bolt back here, and remember, for the throttle body, you're not removing any of the bolts or any of the screws. Your bolts or nuts, you're keeping those there. So in order to remove this, you're going to twist and gently come out towards you. This upper cable, you're just going to pull out. It pulls right out. Do not pull it up. It just comes right out that way. Two hands. You're just going to keep spinning it counterclockwise, and boom, it's out. See, it's just a little pin. It just pushes in. So just get under the cover and push it out. And that's how to remove a alternator from a 2004 Honda Element.